Hello, Southernwind family! Today we bring you another powerful insight from years of hands-on experience, because education builds better dogs and better owners.
Why do so many dogs keep getting yeast infections, even after shampoos, creams, ear medications, and diet changes? If your dog's yeast keeps coming back, the yeast may not be the real problem. Many owners are fighting the smell, the greasy skin, the dark ears, the red paws, the scratching, and the licking, but they are not being told the most important truth. Malassezia is a type of yeast. In dogs, the one we usually talk about is Malassezia pachydermatis. And here's where people get confused. This yeast can live naturally on the skin and in the ears of dogs. The problem begins when the skin becomes the perfect environment for it to grow out of control. So yeast in dogs usually does not appear from nowhere. It happens because something underneath opened the door. That something can be environmental allergies, food allergy, flea allergy, chronic ear inflammation, moisture, skin folds, oily skin, hormonal problems like thyroid or Cushing's disease, or a damaged skin barrier. This is why so many people say, "I tried everything the vet gave me and nothing worked." Sometimes the treatment did work, but only against the yeast. It did not correct the reason the yeast came back. A dog with Malassezia may smell musty, greasy, sour, or like corn chips. The skin may become red, itchy, thick, dark, oily, scaly, and irritated. You may see licking of the paws, brown staining around the nails, constant ear scratching, head shaking, or black wax inside the ears. But smell alone is not a diagnosis. The first serious step is cytology. That means the veterinarian takes a sample from the skin or ear and looks under the microscope. Are we dealing with yeast, bacteria, both, inflammation, something else? Without cytology, many people are guessing. Now, what truly works? Veterinary dermatology supports topical antifungal treatment, especially shampoos and products containing ingredients like chlorhexidine and miconazole. These are not magic if used once. They must be used correctly, with enough contact time, repeated treatment, and attention to the hidden areas: paws, armpits, groin, belly, folds, ears, and nail beds. If the ears are involved, the ears need their own diagnosis and treatment. A body shampoo will not solve a yeast ear infection. In more serious or generalized cases, veterinarians may use oral antifungal medications, but those are not casual treatments. They can affect the liver, interact with other medications, and need veterinary supervision. And then comes the part many owners do not want to hear. If the yeast keeps coming back, you must investigate the underlying cause. Is this dog allergic? Is there a food allergy? Is there flea allergy? Is the ear canal chronically inflamed? Is the dog staying damp? Is there a hormonal disease? Is there a skin barrier problem? Because if that root cause stays alive, the yeast will return. Now let's talk about the natural treatments and the propaganda. Apple cider vinegar, coconut oil, diatomaceous earth, essential oils, random detox powders, grain-free diets, raw diets, and internet yeast cures are promoted everywhere. Some may make the skin feel temporarily cleaner, some may dry the surface, some may have laboratory interest, but that does not mean they are proven clinical cures for Malassezia dermatitis in dogs. And some can irritate the skin, burn inflamed tissue, or delay proper treatment. So my position is simple. Natural support is not the enemy. But pretending that unproven remedies replace diagnosis is dangerous. Support the dog from the inside, yes. Feed correctly. Control fleas. Keep the skin dry. Support the skin barrier. Use omega-3s when appropriate. Work with the gut. Keep ears clean when recommended. But do not confuse support with cure. The real solution is a system. Confirm the yeast. Treat the yeast correctly. Treat the ears if the ears are involved. Recheck the skin. Find the reason it happened. Build a maintenance plan so it does not keep returning. That is the difference between chasing a smell and solving a skin problem. After more than 52 years living with dogs, raising them, observing them, and educating families, I can tell you this clearly. A chronic yeast dog is rarely just a yeast dog. He is a dog whose body is telling you something deeper is out of balance. Listen to the skin. Find the cause. Treat with truth, not with trends.
Thanks for watching. At Southernwind, we don't chase symptoms, we search for the truth behind the dog. Remember to subscribe.